Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm presenting you with a new topic, how to find breakout and breakdown on charts. So this will give you a clear idea on how to identify and understand charts better. No fancy indicator, nothing, pure technical analysis. You can pick your own chart irrespective of price, irrespective of any specific stock. Just reading chart is extremely important, and why I've listed down 3 points. Market is supreme and charts will indicate. Why I have written this? Because if you love charts and know how to read them, you will have a clear idea on how to identify and take action on that specific stock. Now, this is only chart pattern, no stock recommendation, nothing. If you see, check point number two, check candles pattern formation in all time frame. When I say you should always check daily time frame, weekly time frame, monthly time frame, as well as 4 hours, 1 hour, mark the specific support resistance, and that will help you to trade if you want to trade as a swing, if you want to trade as intraday, or if you want to trade in any of the way you deal as per your risk and reward. Now, in specific to this chart, we can see this chart has been in a consolidation for a specific time frame, and it was trading in a specific channel. It hit the resistance, it took the support, it hit the resistance and took the support, it hit the resistance and again came back and took the support, again hit the resistance, and this is where most of uh, newbies will enter considering it as a breakout, but this was fake out. So the next point will cover why you should never enter immediately. As you see on this, it was a wick that was created to enter the newbies, and immediately it went down. Again, it came, it went up. This was the real breakout. One should enter here and trade this channel. Now, till what time? It's as per your risk to reward. I've already created the videos for risk to rewards, how to manage your trade, how to scan the trade. Everything is created on my channel. If you haven't seen the videos, you can always visit my channel and you can see it. Now, this was again trading into this parallel channel. Again, took the support, hit the resistance, took the support, hit the resistance multiple time. It invited newbies, and again it went down. Again, it gave and false fake out, and immediately came in this channel. Now, this is how one should always wait for the right confirmation before entering any trade. Now, here we can see this pattern is called W pattern, where it clearly formed at the bottom of the chart. It went, gave a good move, again came to retest the support, and then it moved ahead. So this is how one should always wait for the confirmation, manage your risk reward well, and always follow the charts. Speak what charts speak is something that you should always understand how to read the charts. If you find this helpful, if you find this an informative video, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.